You're late. Did you bring it? Huh? No, we're not ready to order.
Gino Naros.
I have to do it. I have to do it, right? If I don't do it, he'll do it to another woman. So basically, I'll be saving another person, right? So I have to do this. I have to get my sister out. I can't hear another story. Hey, I fell down the stairs. Hey, I cut myself washing dishes. I'm the only one that can save her. The only one. The police keep on opening cases after cases, but no action. No more. If this was a sister, you'd do the same thing, right?
I'll cut his guts off and feed it to him.
Yes.
Give me my money so I can go.